Namaskar, Vanakkam, Sat Shri Akal, Kem Chho, and Chai Bhi. This is an all India event. So I think that we is an all India event. So friends and friends of the country, you have BSNL. So thank you very much. And firstly, I would like to extend my warm greetings to Agoda and all the other associations here and for calling me to this conference and greetings and thank you very much. I told the CGM and others, just send last night a car alone with a placard with my name, that will do. There is no need for anybody to come, but he and the entire team turned up to receive me, and that is Lucknowi Maryada. And he was just telling me that, in Lucknow, we usually talk tum, and then the minute we start fighting, we use the word aap. So I think throughout the journey, we have been using the word aap to everybody, sir. I hope you don't fight. I'm really honored to be here. It's a great joy and privilege, but it is nothing new to all of you, I'm telling you. I'm not really surprised or really thrilled because everybody on the dais, Ravi Shilji, Nirupata Rao, and sir, every day they meet me at 7:30 to 8. So it is nothing new. And right outside, so there is no way for me anteroom to escape also. So every day 7:30 to 8, we all meet, and every week almost Panditji comes and and our Ramji who is not here today. So it is nothing new to me, and every day your leaders, they discuss issues most sincerely, and we try to work things out. And Ravi Shilji, thanks for calling me. Badi Namrata se he called me and smilingly here, and then he put me as a target in the firing. Sitting there, kya smile karo, frown karo, kya karo. At in college में पेन गिर गया, तब कर रहा था, and साहब तो इतना अच्छा poem सुनाया और bullets लगा दिया. Sir, a good part of my time is usually spent on monetization. I think sometimes I joke I should be designated director monetization. But every time I am doing that only, but my heart and soul in focus is on HR issues. Everybody knows that. Okay, I think all of you know. Under my leadership, humble leadership, I will assure you that the HR vertical will sit up and listen and resolve issues within the constraints and be open-minded, humane and proactive. In the last 1 year or so, we have been there and we will continue. In Advaita Vedanta, the Advaita itself, it means, non-duality. So I can assure you the HR vertical will be not different from you. Okay, we are one and together. And the unions and associations, they have to play a vital role, a most important pillar in this revival of BSNL by giving hope and positivity. There was a movie, it's called Enemy at the Gates, whatever, the attack of Stalingrad. So Stalingrad was being attacked, everything was lost. Completely, absolutely, it was surrounded by forces and, the Nazis, and the morale was down and people were retreating, surrendering. So one general comes and asks the soldiers, the remaining ones, the captains, what is it? What should we do? Some people say, those who retreat, send them to Siberia. No, punish them, their families, hang them, shoot them. One guy from behind the rows says, give them hope. I think hope is something that the leaders have to give. They have given hope, and he began Lucknow, this place where hope begins. So please give them hope. And despite all the constraints, and this is the song also, prayer song we started, Itana Shakti Hame Dena Data. So God, the universe will give us strength, the management the strength, of all of us the strength to work together. In Jan 1961, Kennedy made a statement in his inaugural address. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. What I beseech the leaders to convey to all the employees is, ask what BSNL can do for you, but also definitely ask what you can and you will be doing for BSNL. That is my humble request. I'll take another 2 minutes, sir. Is it okay? 2-3 minutes? So I have to talk on the main issues that were discussed here. Yeah, thank you, sir. So, thank you so much. Sir, today, initiatives like Agota has taken, like FTTH month. Okay, CMD sir is aware of it, and we are very thrilled. This kind of special drives that are required. Moving in, as our CGM sir said and CMD said in his speech, 4G, we have our, Swadeshi technology. How do we relate to it? How do we push it forward? how do we bring the customers, how to interact 24/7, be approachable to customers. CMD statements and CGM sir statements, I need not reiterate, they were so eloquently stated. And my part, naturally, I say focus on monetization, on mutation, got it, because that is a very important issue being reviewed by the dashboard virtually every week, literally every week, not virtually. And as they say, there were two friends वो जंगल में जा रहे थे, वो जंगल में पूरा एक शेर आ गया. So both of them started running. Then one of them running. Then one of the friends said, "See, there is no point. We cannot outrun the lion." Then the other friend said, "Who's trying to outrun the lion? I am trying to outrun you." So this is the state of competition we are facing, right? It's the ruthless competition, and we have to be very, very clear and strategic when we act. Okay, there are various agencies, for example, if we do, reduce the prices, they call it predatory pricing. If somebody else operator does it, they call it competitive pricing. So many things are like that we have to tackle. Okay, sometimes we feel both our arms and legs are chained and we are on a in a running race. But that is the challenge, and together we will win. Today's the theme is very interesting one: empowering BSNL workforce for innovation-driven growth. Here, this is what Agota, all the associations at Agota have been doing, and what needs to be done is in Agota itself, AGTOA. I'll just say each word, is a major principle. Each letter is a major principle that can be worked on. A is align employees with BSNL's visions and goals. Inculcate prompt customer service with a smile. Give hope and enthusiasm, as your leaders have been doing. Encourage new ideas and innovativeness. That is very, very important. There are so many people who are young, who are old by wisdom. Okay, you can encourage ideas. Then, sir, the next is T. Trust the management. Okay. we work despite a lot of constraints. Just like your hands and legs are tight. Sometimes our hands and legs are also tight. But we try to maneuver and work within the constraints. And then organize workshops. Do brainstorming sessions at every level. Get new ideas. Enthuse people. Most of the time, the stomach issues, I'm coming to that, but the stomach is also filled when you self-actualize. I have seen among the elder generation with a lot of wisdom and experience, and the youth also, there is a lot of frustration because they are unable to express their ideas. There is so much of talent, so many ideas. So all that is welcome, and the leaders have to encourage that. And we have a new dispensation now. Our CMD sir is so innovative, so open-minded, so approachable. Give him an idea and he will empower you fully to implement it. So use this opportunity. The entire board is receptive. I am always with you. Okay. And last is A. Alter the thoughts and attitudes for a better work culture, which you have already been doing, and I am sure Agota will do that. Use every occasion for BSNL. Like he says, every breath, our CMD sir says, every breath it should be BSNL. For example, the other day, one team from somebody Punjab, we won the All India dance competition. PSUs, for all the PSUs. So the ladies and the gentlemen were there. So I asked them what did they do. They said it's a village theme. एक theme था stage में village, and they did that. I said fine, बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन why didn't you put in that village क्या था, farm है, field है, huts are there. I said you should have put a BSNL tower in that village and put a logo. Got it? Yes sir, next time. I said next time I'll also come and dance with you. You do that. Everything. Campus. There are RTTC campuses where people are taking videos and cinemas and serials. Arey, lamppost bar, heroine and hero are dancing in RTTC here, there, whatever. पीछे lamppost है ना, वहाँ BSNL का logo लगा दो. Got it? A room में बात कर रहा है कोई scene है. Got it? Somewhere in the corner you put BSNL. So that is how you brand. You have friends. I have friends. Whatever in academicians. I am pitching campus को कैसे बने. Got it? Why don't you use? Wherever you go, you try to market your services. Okay, look at this stall here. I think even social functions and all marriages of you should put BSNL logo and do that. Okay, and now HR vertical has a very important role to play. एक